In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the typical Nigerian chicken stew with curry leaves. This recipe is quite easy, delicious and flavorful. If you want to know how to make it, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. The first thing I'll be prepping is the chicken. I'll go ahead, wash and clean the chicken. I'll be adding some vinegar to wash the chicken in order to remove any foul smell from the chicken. So I've sprinkled it now. I'll use my hand, scrub and wash properly. Then I'll be using some clean water to wash and rinse repeatedly until the water comes out clear and the chicken very clean. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. I'll be making this chicken stew with fresh tomato and pepper mix. Then I'll be adding some fresh curry leaves for that unique Nigerian stew flavor, taste and aroma. Fresh curry leaves improves the flavor and the taste of your tomato stew, making you to want to eat more and more and more. It's addictive. Fresh curry leaves is super delicious in stews, nutritious and very healthy. After washing the chicken now, I'll be seasoning it. Then cook the chicken till they are soft and tender before making the stew. Here I'll be adding the washed and cleaned chicken into the pot on the fire. Then I'll be seasoning it. If this is your first time on this channel, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seasoning it with some onion, curry powder, bay leaf, and thyme. Then I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste, seasoning powder, and seasoning cube. Then I'll go in with some garlic salt and some salt to taste. I'll be covering the pot to simmer for a few minutes before I will now add enough water to cook the chicken proper till soft and tender. As it simmers, I'll be giving it a good stir to mix and combine. Then I'll be covering it to simmer furthermore for a few more minutes before adding some water. Chicken stew can be used to serve rice, yam, potato, or pasta. I'll be stirring to combine and mix well. Then I'll be adding enough water now to cook till soft and tender. This water will be enough to cook the chicken. I'm done cooking the chicken soft and tender. I'll go ahead and fry the chicken first with some vegetable oil in my pot. Just throw in a slice of onion to check the temperature of the vegetable oil. The temperature is okay, suitable. Be adding the chicken now, bit by bit. I'm going to fry the chicken till they are crispy and golden brown. While the chicken fries, I will stand by and keep turning it to avoid it over frying, drying out, or burning. In Nigeria, we use different types of protein to make stew. Tomato stew is very common in Nigeria, in every Nigerian home. We make fish stew, beef stew, chicken stew. Frying your protein first makes your stew stand out. The chicken is well fried now and it looks crispy and golden brown. I'm bringing it out of the oil. Then I'll start the stew cooking proper. And into the hot oil in the pot, I'll be adding chopped onion, garlic and ginger paste. I will let the onion saute for a while to build flavor and aroma. And into the pot, I'll be going in with the tomato and pepper mix, which was earlier frozen. And here I'll be adding seasoning cube. And I'll also add some seasoning powder. The next thing I'll be adding is some thyme and some curry powder. Let me add the curry powder. Then this is coriander. and some salt to taste. And then I will stir to combine and cover to cook while the frozen tomato and pepper mix dissolves fully. With this recipe, you can make a perfect Nigerian chicken stew at home. Now it is fully dissolved. I'll just give it a good stir to mix and combine well. The next thing I'll be doing is to add the fried chicken into the pot bit by bit. What is your favorite Nigerian stew recipe? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know the one you prefer. After adding the fried chicken into the pot, I'll go ahead and add some more vegetable oil. I'm adding more to enable the stew cook well and fry well. We're going to cook the stew until the water reduces and it starts frying with the oil. While it is cooking, I'm standing by to stir at intervals. The fried chicken is still going to cook some more in the stew. It will soften and soak up more flavor from the stew. As it cooks, the stew pops up and splashes on the cover, but there's no cause to worry. It is because the tomato and the pepper mix is thick. This mix is the combination of tomato, cayenne pepper, red bell pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. You have to mix the 4 of them together to get this thick consistency. Here is the curry leaf, the fresh curry leaf. I'll be picking the leaves now off the stem, thoroughly wash them, and introduce them into the stew. It is cooking and the liquid in the stew is reducing, making the oil to pop up more. So now I'll be adding the curry leaves. Add more curry. Then I'll give it a good stir. The stew is frying well. Give this curry leaf a trial. African curry leaves is very, very healthy and good for home meals. Now, let me cover the pot, then do some cleaning. I'll do a little cleanup. Cleaning all the tomato splashes on my work table. If this is your first time on this channel and you love this recipe, like this video, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. At this point, our Nigerian chicken stew with curry leaves is almost ready. One last stir, then I will turn off the heat. Will you be giving this recipe a trial? If you finally do, let me know the outcome in the comment section. This chicken stew is super delicious, very simple and so easy to put together. It's looking so inviting and appetizing, and of course it is super delicious. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.